Hey guys, Jonny Guarco here. Today's video is entitled Some Will and Some Won't. We had three trades today. We actually had three great setups, 2 won and 1 loss. So I want to just go over those real quick. You can see NVDA. We've been crushing NVDA lately. Average daily range over the last 14 days, about 12 bucks. Pretty easy. We had a retest gap, which normally likes to gap and then retest. And we came down here, formed a quick double bottom, came back in and just had a quick retest of the 10. This is called our 10 EMA strategy, taking a retest down to the 10 and then taking it for profits. You can see here, this was a quick trade. We got 1.56 R's. That equates, if you have a $100 risk on a trade like this, that equates to a $156 win. If you have a $500 risk, that equates to whatever that is, 150 times 500, that's about $760, something like that. But great setup and great follow through. You can see that volume just came back in right down here on that retest of that 10 and followed through up back into resistance. That was our first trade of the day. Then for the trades that are great setups and sometimes work and sometimes don't, we had Tesla this morning. You can see Tesla was also a retest gap, came down here to that little support area down here, about 700 bucks, makes sense. We got this hammer candle right off of the 10 EMA. I was busy looking at NVIDIA, so I didn't catch that until we got up here into resistance. And then we had already gone past the average daily range for the last 14 days. So I love this when this happens. You hit resistance, you form a double top, just everything looking gorgeous. We had a close down below the 10 EMA. And then we came on down here and I set my entry right there, had my stop up here at 753.38, which I thought was going to be high enough. But as you can see, we ended up breaking down and then coming back up. And then right here, you can see this big volume down here. Apparently, Elon Musk had some great news for shareholders and a bunch of buyers came flying on in here and stopped this out. As you can see, it then rolled over and hit our target, but a little bit too late. But the important lesson here is, hey, you can have great setups and sometimes they just don't work. So we lost an R there. Then the third trade of the day was another quick one on NVIDIA. So we were up about a half an R, I guess, and another just great trade setup. We had come down here, we formed a double bottom. I love when double bottoms fail. So we broke the 10 EMA, came down here, boom, boom. You can see it right there. We had a couple retests of the 10 EMA, the breakdown of that, the stop here. We took a quick 1.08 R's on that. So lesson learned. You know, you can have great setups and sometimes they're just not going to work. And we got to expect that. We can be 50-50 traders and still be consistently profitable. It's all about mitigating that risk and minimizing those losses, and you'll come out ahead. If you want to learn how to trade like us real life traders, come visit us at reallifetrading.com. You can contact me anytime. You can reach me at Jonny, Jonny, at reallifetrading.com. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.